Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Long time no see, but don't worry, I am back now. So today I'll be showing you how to make this simple fried rice recipe. If this is something you're interested in watching, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So these are the ingredients, guys. I'll be using yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper and habanero pepper. I will show you guys as we go along. So the first thing I'll be doing is adding my washed rice to the pot. I'll be adding my meat stock. You can use chicken stock or turkey stock, anyone you have. Then I'll be adding hot water to it before adding some spice. So for the rice, I'll be adding salt, thyme, rosemary and seasoning cube. I'll stir it, then cover it to cook for about 30 minutes. So now I'll be adding my cabbage to it before adding the yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. I'll be adding salt, seasoning cube, dry ginger and dry garlic and stir this for some minutes. Now I'll be adding my fried goat meat to it. You can use gizzard or chicken breast for this part. I'll be adding a little bit of sesame oil to it for the flavor. So I'll be transferring the rice to another big pot because the pot was a little bit small for me to mix those veggies together with the rice. So guys, this is what we have, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. I will see you in my next video. Bye.